Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 149. This was a Thursday. I started the day off with exercise. I did 45 minutes on the treadmill, which included a 5-minute jog. I took my daughter to breakfast because she made the honor roll in her school, and they were offering a pancake breakfast, but she didn't want the pancake breakfast. She wanted McDonald's, so I honored her request. So I took her to breakfast, then I took her to school, and then after that, I had gotten my hair cut, and then I had basically did solar business, books. I did two-step drop shipping work, and then I had the Remote Wellness Academy call with Rachel, a partner. And that was pretty much it for day 149. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow. And I did omit the gratitude, so I am grateful for my virtual assistants who are learning, and some of them have volunteered to come back without compensation to help get this program launched, because they want to get their jobs back, but they are helping and they are being very selfless to help, and I appreciate all their support, and I couldn't do what I do without them. So I'm very grateful for that. So that's the gratitude for the day. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.